Little ducks coming in from a July 4th party weekend, probably up at the Cove. I heard those ducks like to party over there. They're in military formation. They're all lined up. Look at that streamline. Looking good, guys. Looking good. They're going to come right around my boat. Unless they're going eating. Sometimes they eat where they drop the boats down. Now they're going to come right by the boat here. Watch this. And there they go. I didn't want to talk and freak them out. But yeah, they're cruising home. Bye-bye. Happy 4th of July weekend. As always, God bless you and God bless America. Happy birthday, America.